Zero on it, bitch. Yeah, I might just take something on me in my ears, made me stressed and pop the pill. Never wanted down 100 K insurance, so what are the left? Left two kids to born in the girl, I'm died to die for them for real. This house don't feel like home anymore. The silence hit me the hard to feel. Talking about family shit, I know they hate me. Decided to sign the deal. I'm going solo on that door. I gotta stay focused in life and shit. Bad little boy, this what they call me, not knowing what I went through or felt. I'm putting this bam on them and why I wanted to slide and kill this bitch. Tryna go far with this life of mine, but feeling at home tryna keep me down. Hearing a voice that say I must kill myself, and I think that it get it louder than the wheel off. Getting my parents proud for the money of mine. I'm not safe inside, no looking for closure or attention. Like a better shot craving, I make no sign, no father. Only got my mom, she ain't understand this shit feel harder. Never saw that calm me falling on the floor. She try to say something, lost myself that day, believe it. I saw the puff when I said fuck. Ever since that moment, my life been going south, never felt lucky. Say your shots out tough, and the demon mind just smoked me. I say nothing. When you go home, you run out, swear to the devil, it's poke, find a step, something. Nothing that catch my mind, but I know this body of mine is always outside. Look for if you trying to play, just know the demons in my mind, they never afraid to die, bitch.
I need Gotti man, dance and chicken man. Kid or show the cash, please with my gang. Nigga stay away, wanna cash, wanna gang. G2 to the gate, in the Fleezy's funny beat. Now wish you is, but my Puma split the pit. Busy business, get young Funa Sigi peak. Now run away, get the floor, not a cap. Read cool again, and the shake from the lid.